All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our Watch List Live episode. We're running extremely late, so I apologize for that. So, without any further ado, let's jump into it. Your boy is wore out. I am exhausted. I know I probably sound tired as well, but it is what it is, right? All right, so also, I've been having some technical difficulties. So hopefully you all can hear me okay. All right, so let's jump right into this here. All right, if you look at this Bitcoin futures chart, you'll notice that there's a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading with the beginning of a bearish trend momentum reading. So the initial downside target's going to be about we'll just call it 35,000, which is the top of the Kumo cloud support at this time. Next, we have bonds. All right, the long bond ticker TLT. You can see it is starting to come back down. The pressure from the bottom of the Kumo cloud is having an impact on the market. Therefore, I believe that this current run might be coming to an end. You're in the buy the pullback mode, so we'll see if the bulls can defend the pullback support zones. If not, then the bear market will most likely reclaim the price action. All right, so just something to be careful of if you are long this market at this time. Look out for the algo shift and or crash alert to come if this market cannot get back into and above this Kumo cloud. It needs to get back up past the current Kumo cloud resistance and continue to take out the prior highs. Failure to do that would cause this market to fall right back down again. Looking at the XRP Ripple, so you had the bearish trend momentum reading. You had the nice little run up, then you ran into that crash alert, then you got your downside production. So at this time, market has not hit the we'll just call it 60, has not hit the 60 cent. That's the psychological support for the current move. As long as the market can stay above that 60-cent level, then at some point this bearish trend momentum reading will turn bullish, and then the market will take another run at the current highs. However, if the 60-cent support does not hold, then the market is in jeopardy of falling below the bottom of the Kumo cloud 50-cent support zone and going into free fall status. All right, so you want to be mindful of that moving forward. Next up is the ZEC or Zcash. And you see here we have a crash alert as well. Now you had a rally alert the day before, then that's now turned into a crash alert. So kind of flip-floppage going on here. So we'll see what happens. Usually, I mean, this is a rare situation when you have a flip-flop like that so close. Normally it'll look something like this, right? Where this one cancels out this one, but this is unusual. It can happen, but like I said, it's more unusual than not. So we'll see what the market has in store. At this time, it's basically flat. The Ethereum futures also has a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. We're expecting support. The initial support will be the top of the Kumo cloud here. All right. And this is around, we'll call this, what we call this? We'll call this 1900. We'll just say 1900. All right, next up is the US dollar index. You can see that this market is still in a bull market, but it's still under the algo shift. But you also have a bullish trend momentum reading. So the market has ceased moving higher for now. It's just kind of moving flat and keeping the price action floated at this point. So we'll see what the market does, but it may just go sideways for the time being, but still maintaining a bullish element and bias in the market. How will this play out for the euro? Well, you have a bullish trend momentum reading here in the Aussie, and you have a bot check for tonight into tomorrow's trading, the beginning of a bot check. So a big upsurge is in the works for your Aussie dollar, ladies and gentlemen. As far as your pound sterling goes, you still have a bearish trend momentum reading, still a locked in bear market. We are expecting lower prices still. In your euro, you have a locked in bear market as well. Price action is now consolidating inside the Kumo cloud, but you still cannot ignore the negative bot check, which means that a big down surge is imminent coming in your euro. Looking at crude oil, we have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The initial upside target is around this 80-cent level. We'll say between 80 and 81. So you're looking at a $3 to $4 run potential back into resistance. Next up is gold. Gold is still having some problems. You have a bearish trend momentum reading. All right, this market is still in corrective mode. 1900 needs to be maintained. That's the psychological support. If it cannot, the market goes into free fall, and you have no idea how low this market can go. Silver also has a sell the rally mode. It's in a free fall status with a continuation pattern to the downside. Next stop is $21. And if that doesn't hold, we drop all the way back down here to 20 and possibly even into the teens. So mad bearish right now, locked in bear markets, staring your metals in the face. I'll show you gold one more time. Now, silver's in an actual bear market. Silver is leading the gold to the downside. Gold is still trying to maintain this bull market, but it's a bull market correction right now. And the downside could accelerate at any moment. All right, I cannot stress that part enough, ladies and gentlemen. Also, moving here forward, you also are going to want to take note. As far as the stock indices, we still do not have any major alerts, except for the Russell has a positive bot check. All right, but there's nothing going on in the equity market for now, for at least the next couple of days. So I will alert you and just be on the lookout for the reports. Reports should be out in a little while, and I will alert you when they are ready. With that being said, smash the like button. Tonight was our last night of the free watch list. If you would like to subscribe to continue getting this information, you're going to want to go to PulseWavesTrading.com and sign up there. And with that being said, remember the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And with that, I'm out. Peace.